able to identify with your respective roles? Is it very near the real you or very far from the real you? And the second question is, the three of you, everybody knows may boyfriend. Yung isa, kabe-break lang. So at the time na kabe-break niya, did the other three console her para naman she will be relieved of her broken heart? So yung munang first question. Yung munang first question, Solen.
Yung first question, hindi ako close to my character kasi sobrang tanga-tanga siya, bobo siya. Mabait lang, so yun ang pareho. Pero yung bobo, hindi. Masyadong matalino ako.
Ako naman, nakaka-relate ako sa character ko ng konti kasi siya naman, she's trying to solve yung mga problema ng pamilya. Ako since only child ako, tuwing meron nangyayari sa parents ko, whether health-wise or financial, ako ang kanilang guardian angel. Ako yung tumatay yung pillar para sa magulang ko. So parang gano'n ang ginagawa ni Daniel dito.
Ako naman, in a way, nakaka-relate naman ako sa character ko kasi, well, in real life, diba, parang we have self-control, you know? Hindi lahat ng mga gusto nating sabihin or gusto nating gawin, ginagawa natin. Siya yung version ko na walang self-control. Parang ganon. Lahat ng gusto mong sabihin, kunwari, pag nagagalit siya, or pag nanlalait siya, or may pagka-control freak din ako minsan. But, you know, pero hindi naman ako bossy. So, parang siya yung version ko, pag hindi ko, siguro, parang exag version ko na, she's my evil version, pag wala akong self-control, parang gano'n.
Me, sa maarte, yes, nakaka-relate ako kasi I think ever since I started in showbiz, yun talaga yung peg ko, maarte ako sa Tanging Ina, sa mga shows ko. But dun sa personality niya na masama yung ugali niya ng sly, very sneaky, though she's not honest, I'm very honest. Ano pa? Yung sa loyalty ng friends, ganun din ako. But mas madami yung hindi kaysa sa oo. It just so happened na because of this role, yung role ko nung start ako, na-master ko na yung peg na magiging maarte, but no, I can't relate to certain things. And about, I started. I've been through breakups in public, and what can I say of Bianca? She doesn't have a broken heart. She's really strong. In fact, I did not know she was going through something until nag-open up kami. And yes, we were there for 101%. She's handling it so well. Kasi, you know, her parents, they're in a different country. She's very independent, and I guess that helped her a lot. But we're here for her no matter what. And I think Bianca is really a wonderful person. She's beautiful, she's sexy, she's smart. She's really a package deal. She's a kabuhayan showcase. She really is. And she's a catch. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. And dati nag-away ko yan. I'm such a stupid person for fighting with her. But now I love her so much. I love Heart Evangelista.
Wow! Bianca, that's quite a compliment, don't you think?
It is the compliment of my lifetime. not just of the year, of the day, but of my life.
So, what about the rest?
I agree. Bianca's a really strong girl. And on my part, talagang I want to be there for her as much as I can. Yun nga lang, because she's so strong, one time lang we were running, and then I told her a secret, and she told me a secret na, ayun nga, break na. Pero parang, 1 month na yata yung lumipas, or 3 weeks na yata sa break. So talagang, hindi talaga nagagaling, like, she doesn't talk about personal things, you know? But, there lies her strength. Kasi madali naman magsalita if she wants to kung gusto niya magsabi. Pero it's just not the kind of person she is.
And she never said anything bad about anyone. That's why I look up to her.
Yeah. I mean, we may have like our own opinions, but she will never say anything bad. So yun, basta she's just such a good person. And I agree, and boys na ha, boys are already like asking me about Bianco because they know her friends. Yeah, and yung boys pa mismo yung nagsasabi ng mga good qualities mo na
Yung tsaka lit-lit ng bewang niya, no? Oh my God.
Sexy ni Bianca. So, I think she'll be fine.
Yeah, thank God to my waist. Yes.
Thank God to my waist.
Also, what can you say? Di ba you were together in Paris?
Yes, well, in Paris we had a lot of good time. We didn't really think about our second parties here. Pero when it happened with Bianca also, I didn't know until I think 3 weeks or a month, diba? Medyo matagal. Ako yung first.
It was
Not someone.
by the way.
Yeah, so yun, parang I couldn't, kahit I'm close to her, I couldn't see na may something wrong kasi parang she's so strong, tapos she knows where to put a limit on her, yung wall niya. Kasi di ba, everyone thinks that Bianca is mataray minsan, but she's not. It's just really a self-defense mechanic. So yeah.
How can ordinary people relate to this kind of movie when it is about mga saucy girls?
Well, it's for everyone naman kasi ito isang parody. It's a parody of the socialite. It's making fun of them. So I think they'll enjoy making fun of them. At tapos yung mga social, then they can make fun of themselves na, oo, minsan ganun ako, ganun. So, yun, it's a very funny, light movie.
Lahat naman tayo, meron tayong mga kanya-kanyang inside jokes sa mga social, yung mga nagbubuhay mayaman, or even yung mga social climber. So, di ba, may mga inside joke tayo sa ganyan. And I think, makikita rin naman nila sa movie yung lahat ng tao from all walks of life, kung paano rin kami nag-interact with them, at kung paano rin nila kami pinagtatawanan. Like Solen said, it's a parody, it's a satire on the social classes, but it's really meant to be the type of movie na wala kang expectations. You just sit down, you have fun, you watch it scene per scene, you follow the story, and you go out of the movie feeling good. Kasi the heart of the story is really about the people that the girls are helping. Yung mga, ayoko naman silang tawagin na less fortunate kasi medyo negative sounding. Pero siguro yung mga taong underprivileged, hindi na maganda yung word eh. Ano bang magandang word? Basta yung mga tao na mahalaga sa kanila, kahit na hindi nila ka-estado sa buhay, yun talaga yung mga gusto nilang tulungan. For me, I don't think you have to be rich to be social. Alam mo, madami yung kilala na hinuhulugan nila ng 5 gives, 6 gives, yung isang Louis Vuitton. Ano to eh, parang movie ng mga gusto ko noon, pangarap ko yun, feel ko maging ganito, gusto ko rin matutunan magganyan, gusto ko, may mga kaibigan din ako na ito yung peg namin for today. Pag pumunta ka sa school, makakilala ka ng mga magkakabarkada na ganyan sila, kahit hindi sila mayaman, pero feel nila yung ganon, feel nila magdamit, feel nila tumawa o mag-away o mag-drama sa isa't isa. So, feeling ko yung mga teenagers, madami din makaka-relate. Kahit hindi pa sila, kahit konti lang yung pera nila, matutuwa sila sa pelikulang ito. Yun siguro yung reason kaya gusto nila panood ito. Feel ko lang. Ganon. Yun lang siguro yun. Tsaka everyone likes to have fun and dress up, diba? Parang ganon din yung isang vibe na gusto namin i-send out dito sa movie. If you're young, diba? Just go out and have fun, look good, feel good about yourself, and at the same time while you're helping other people.
I don't think you have to be social to enjoy the movie kasi pwede talaga siya sa any age and any social class. At saka ang character naman hindi naman nagiging relatable dahil sa depende kung how much money they have or gano'n. Mas nagiging relatable pag totoo yung emotion. Parang ako, ako nung nabasa ko naman yung script, hindi ko nasabi, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya kasi mayaman ako. Hindi, parang nakaka-relate ako sa kanya kasi alam ko yung feelings niya. Parang gano'n.
At saka may Green Hills na ngayon. Diba? Madami yung mga gusto ko na nila. Meron din sila mga love bracelet na Cartier sa Green Hills. Diba? So parang i-enjoy din nila yung ganitong klase nila.
Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Jimmy Films President, Ms. Annette Bozon Abdullah.
Totoong saucy girl.
Gaano kasosi ang pelikula concerning your how you speak, how you dress up, how you go to your time. Yeah. Gaano kasosyal siya pagdating sa lahat-lahat ng kasosyalan?
Sa movie or sa totoong movie?
Movie.
Super social. I think everyone will see that from this film na yung buong movie parang fashion editorial. As in, bawat sa amin, bawat sa amin. Sa aming lahat, may sarili kami style, ganon. The movie looks like kahit yung background, everything, parang everything was thought of, sobrang glossy, sobrang ganda. So, I think that will also make us stand out from the other movies. Kasi yung lighting dito parang TV commercial lighting palagi. So, yun, sobrang social. Especially lahat. Clothes, budget, everything. Sobrang social.
Sa totoo lang, kanina ho, nung kami pa lang narito, nag-uusap kami ni Tracy, magkaroon kaya tayo ng problema dahil maging kumpleto kaya yung apat na darating ngayon. So hindi naman pala kami nabigo, hindi naman pala kami nagkaroon ng problema at nakumpleto nga ang maganda nating apat na dilag. Pero ngayon ho, may dumating na problema. Kailangan nung exit na si Soler dahil meron pa siyang idadab. Kaya mag-i-excuse lang na mauna sa Ali sa first
Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed the movie. Are you all coming tonight? Pupunta ba kayo? Yeah, so sana you like it. Sana may teleserye kami.
Kahit every Saturday lang.
Sitcom lang. Mag-request kayo na lang.
Sitcom lang, masaya na kami.
There, so see you later.
Sino bang pinakamahirap i-schedule sa inyo? Yung pag-apat.
Yung wala dito.
Oo, kasi she's doing things for seduction, kahit na January pa, medyo maaga din sila nagdalawang commercial.
Hindi makainalita
May fashion
na
siya, may
Wisin, kay Solen, hindi nyo pinagkaisahan, hindi nyo sinampal na gano'n. Wala.
Bakit po namin gagawin yun? We love Solen, she's a wonderful person.
How did you
And she's
adjust?
very blessed.
It's not her fault that she's mabenta.
Let's be happy for how many blessings that she has this year. And she's really, kung kaya lang niyang hatiin yung body niya, gagawin niya.
And how did you feel about it? Lagi lang ba kayo mag-adjust? Considering na mas senior kayo sa kanya kung tutusin? You don't feel any...
For anyone, just as long as ako yung kaya mag-adjust, ako mag-a-adjust. Sa kahit anong bagay man, sa relationships, sa friendships, sa work, kung ako yung may capacity na mag-adjust, ibibigay ko yun. Kasi dadating din naman yung time na people will have to adjust for me. And diba, I also want the same support. Especially kung mabait naman talaga yung tao. I mean, siguro hindi ko maintindihan kung gano'n nakaka-busy tapos parang may attitude. Siya talaga wala. I mean, I've never seen her sleep so much sa shooting. Yung dati, siya buhay na buhay kasi yung character niya sa totoong buhay. She's always sleeping, ang bait-bait niya. So, nothing to be inis about.
Ate, ikaw Rian. Kasi in love ka, kaya hindi ka naiinis na, di ba? Kasi in love ka, kaya wala nang lugar yung pagkainis, impatient.
Wala namang connection doon. Wala, hindi lang talaga ako naiinis. Hindi kasi there's no reason naman to be, I mean, kung if Solan was in my position, siya din naman mag-a-adjust for me. And yung mentality naming lahat is very all for one for all. Hindi kami, we don't think like that.
Yeah, we don't like intrigue. Walang intrigue sa amin.
Ay, yung necklace, yung may regalo, yung pendant, yung may regalo ni Heart sa inyo.
It's a prom.
Oo.
Yeah, ito
Mas mayaman yata sa inyo si Heart, di ba?
Hindi.
Ang Heart,
Mas
kaya ka
maganda siya sa
pinakamayaman.
showbiz.
Kasi nung ko lang yung may-ari ng store, kaya 50% off.
Oh, yun na, di ba?
So, mura lang yan.
Katulong ba si Senator Chi sa pagpili ng ano?
Fairness to that.
Thank you and good luck.
Pero may chain, yung gold chain ko, it came from Bianca. It's Bianca's Christmas gift to me. And then Heart gave me the pendant.
Okay lang ka na magkwento kasi, nung bumibili kami
No, you're
ng
not
chain,
wrong.
nung bumibili kami ng chain para kay Sauce, we went to the same store where Heart bought the pendant. Tapos hindi siya namimili. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ka namimili? Ako nga, bibili pa ako ng bago. Ganyan. So, eto ako, tumatawad sa harapan niya. Sige na, itong presyo na lang. Tapos after I paid, sabi ko, Merry Christmas. And she burst into tears. Pinicturean ko, ipopost ko yun.
I was thinking, I'm gonna hold off kasi parang, I know this guy kasi that sells gold things. So I was gonna ask him kung may chain siya. That's why I was holding off na, okay lang next time na.
Ayun,
And then biglang binigay niya sa akin. So, ayun nga. I turned very, very red and very, very pangit, very, very fast.
So wala naman po yan kung sa gaano kalaki yung kinikita mo kung sa regalo ibibigay mo. Actually, yung value siguro ng pendant o the chain is just the same. But ako bilang kaibigan, gusto ko talaga ibigay sa kanya kahit magkano pa yan dahil siya yung, di ba, hindi humihingi. Ibigay ko talaga sa kanya lahat. Thank you for coming here today. Kahit malapit naman Christmas, and I'm sure some of you will go to your kamag-anak, so very far away. But thank you so much for coming. At in advance, thank you din dahil malapit na premiere night. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, maraming salamat po talaga kasi alam ko na napaka-busy ng season na to. Diba kahit tayo, pero you made time to come, so thank you. We really, really appreciate it. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta ninyo dito. We appreciate the help na ibibigay nyo sa amin para ipaalam sa tao kung gaano maganda itong Saucy Problems and GMA Films. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas.